Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. I'm just gonna drive down this main strip right here. So actually this is kind of interesting. There's like Shaney Poker. There's a lot of poker places, a lot of rundown places like this building right here. There's like 5 places that looks like they fell apart. The building fell apart. I don't know why. Some Indian lady right there with her kids. I saw another Indian, a couple other people that were from India too. A lot of signs here are either in Chinese or there's a Thai massage. But I see like, I guess I see more Chinese more than anything, but else there's one right there. Phung Wan door. Dang, what's all that water for? I'm just like hitting all this water right now, trying to stay in my lane, and it didn't rain at all today. There's a Subway restaurant. Washland. Actually, actually I see a lot of laundry places too. This place is tore down. It's kind of abandoned. This whole little strip right there is all abandoned. Nothing on this. This looks like it's a little bit abandoned too. There's a fence that's kind of half broken down. It's like emerging. That place is completely abandoned, and like the whole bottom floor. What's up with that? What's up with all these places that are like abandoned? And there's a John Hart that looks like it's almost abandoned. There's another sign in Chinese. But yeah, I see a lot of Chinese, Japanese, some Korean, and definitely see Indian people and Filipino people. And I see some Filipino references too. Some of the store names, I just saw SM, which is like SM Mall. It's in a mall in the Philippines, so it had the same design as that. So I don't know. Kind of interesting. This is AJ Poker, and then there's a Home Plus store, department store, and then another AJ Poker. But there's like so many poker ones. This says McDonald's, but a lot of these do. There's Royal Poker. Oh man, it's just like how popular is poker on Saipan? Are the locals playing or the tourists? Anyways, it's I see a lot of people that I see walking around are, yeah, that guy looks like he's Chinese. A lot of them look like Chinese or Filipino. Let's see, here's another guy, here's a boat. This guy's walking on the street, he looks Chinese. Here's another guy walking, he looks like Filipino there. There's another abandoned house, that's looks like a house right there. Here's a massage place with a Chinese restaurant. Here's a Grace Christian Assembly. So that's the other thing I see too, is massage places, Christian churches, kind of stuff. Here's another massage place. Here's another massage place. Do people just come over here and just like open up poker places and massage places and then get citizenship, I guess? What do they have to do to start a business for a little while? I don't know. Not sure the whole situation, but it's kind of interesting anyways. Welcome, we got this CNMI. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna pull in by the water here. We're just gonna see what we can see. Okay. Actually, it's kind of beautiful. The harbor is. Let's see if we can roll down this window. See if we can catch some of the sounds. There's a family over there. Things closed. Is it off season right now? Let's just see. So we'll just keep on exploring. Yeah, this is kind of the main strip. This is basically between the main town, which is straight up about 7 or 8 kilometers. Catholic Church, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Cathedral, and there's Jesus, the little baby Jesus with Mary statue, so Catholicism. I think Chamorro and Filipino are both Catholic. Alright, let's keep on going. Okay, there's a kind of cool looking building, and back there's a a memorial to the military, American military, and just kind of waterfront over here. So yeah, it's like Friendship Memorial or something like that. Okay, so we're just gonna keep going down this main street. This is probably one of the more regular streets I've seen in Saipan. Some of them are quite beautiful, pretty, but this is not one of them. There's a waterfront though, which is, it definitely makes it kind of nice. But on the street there's a lot of, you know, it's like kind of a lot of traffic and a long road to kind of walk across, and there's that SM that I was mentioned earlier. It's like that same SM is all over the Philippines, S&M Mall. Alright. Okay, and then that's the ocean waterfront right there, and there's some of those big ships that I saw earlier from afar. So I've seen them out there all day, so I guess they're connected to the military, I guess. Maybe for show of strength, I guess. Protecting the islands, because they do have a lot of military bases, Navy bases in Guam, right? So, okay. Oh, actually there's some really huge ones way over there. You can't see it very well from here, but yeah. I can't really position the camera very well. Anyways, right over here is recruitment center, Armed Forces Career Center, right next to massage. There's another poker, 24-hour poker one. Here's a beach poker and Shaw's Thrifty Store in poker. If you like poker, this is a place for you. There's a lot of places. I like poker, but I don't know if I'm gonna play in any of those. I don't know what they are. Okay. Godfathers again. So we're just gonna try to go around the block. And actually, this town looks a lot smaller. I thought it would be picking up more when I got here now, but there is like a main pedestrian street right there, so I'm gonna try to walk down that later. This one. And if I could, I'd like to try to find I have a really ugly hotel right now. I thought it might be interesting to come and walk down here later. Walk around in here a little bit. I'm curious how much these hotels cost. Saipan best. Yeah, I might try to see if I can stay somewhere interesting. My hotel right now is how do you describe it? It's like a casino, but it's like out in the middle of nowhere in the island. But I went in there and there's like kind of sketchy. It's all kind of sketchy even at like 6 in the morning when I went there. Somebody in the bikini there. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I might try to see if I can see how much a room is in one of these hotels, maybe. Chiquinha.